Navy Vet 76 out at the range again today with my 7mm Remington rolling block, and that would be 7mm Mauser. I've had a series of issues with this gun. I broke the tang on the rolling block receiver, or the breech block, pounding on it like an idiot. I got that fixed, and was working on some experimental cases to try and fill the chamber better, and got a few shots off and the firing pin failed. So now I put a new firing pin in here from Midway USA, and we're back out again. I do know that I took 30-06 HXP, which is Greek brass, and trimmed it down to 5mm Mauser length and resized the neck, and I shortened this trial and error. I would put it in the chamber and close the breech block, and I would keep doing that until the breech block would just close. Trying to get a better fill in the chamber with the case, and then I discovered that the Hornady ELD matched bullet 180 grain seems to group really well in this rifle. So we're out here again. This will be the first time firing it, so if it fails, I'll have it on camera. Hopefully the firing pin is long enough that I don't get light strikes. Hopefully the firing pin isn't so long that I puncture the primer. So we're going to try again with the ELD bullets, and I'm using an IMR 4350 at 30 grains. CCI large rifle primer, and the overall length that fits this rifle is 3 inches 135 thousandths long. Hopefully we can get a few more rounds down range with no failures. Let's see how it goes. Alright, the targets I have down there, already have holes in them for my 4570 trapdoor. It'll be obvious the difference in the hole diameters to which is which, so I didn't figure I should switch them out. I know we're going to get some elevation on this at 50 yards, so hopefully we're not in the same place as the holes for 4570. The first round is a function test. Let's see what we got. I hope I don't puncture a primer, that'll suck. I'm going to shoot the target on the right. That worked well. I didn't get any blowback. Seems to have filled the chamber very well. Nothing failed on that round, knock on wood. You could bring 2,088 feet per second. $1,899 feet per second. 1912.
That's the one I'll show people. Something to show, yeah. I do have one shot up here. I know I pulled one. I know I pulled one because I felt it. But I thought it went to the left.
1822.
Yeah. I bought a smaller bag, just so I could go shoot pistols. And I don't want to carry all the appliances and tools. You know, just a few things.
And 1858. All right.
1 minute to ceasefire. 1 minute.
Looks like I didn't have any failures. Firing pin's going into the primer. Good enough. It's a mild load, which I want for this old rolling block. I didn't have any blowback. I don't know about this spread. It's almost 100 feet per second spread in feet per second. Let's see what it looks like downrange. Well, there they are. I still am puzzled by this weird tail. Looks like we're keyholing. I didn't notice that before. Huh, maybe it's too slow. I don't know. I'm going to try a couple of shots. I got a hotter load. Let me try it over here on the left and see what happens. Alright, I'm going to try a couple shots with this one. Again, it's a 180 grain ELD bullet, but this time I'm using 35 grains of H414 powder. The overall length is 3 inches 135, and this is actually the load I use in the carbine. Let's see if it makes a difference. I'm thinking that I need to slug this bore and possibly go with a bullet better fitted to the bore, or it could be that I'm running it too slow on the feet per second. I'm a little reluctant to do this. As long as my speed's not too bad, we'll be okay. Alright, I'm going to shoot target on the right. Speed's not bad. The difference though is this is PPU 7mm brass. I didn't get too much, I didn't get any blowback, so I don't know, we'll just see what it looks like. Yeah, speed's okay. It's not a problem here at all. I'm running, that's 2,094 feet per second, and the other one was 2,087 feet per second. A little more consistency in the speed. I don't know. We'll see. I had a slight delay that time. For 2,069 feet per second. That one was 21:12. 2076. I'm getting a slight delay. I don't know, let's get on and see what we got.
Alright. This is the H4140, or no, 414. There's 5 shots. I got 2 keyholes. I got a tighter group though. 3 of them did not keyhole. Looks like this one wanted to start to wobble a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I just need to bump the speed up a little bit. This one here was the 4150 or 43. What was it? 4350 powder. And the groups all suck. 4 keyholes and 1 in there. So I don't know. What do y'all think? Maybe bump the powder up a little bit, or use a bullet that's sized better to the groove diameter of the rifle. I do see a significant change in just the powder. The speed wasn't that much different. So I really don't know. All right.